All right, I want to talk to you guys about the spring starter kit. So although I call it a spring starter kit, it can be used at any time of the year when you want to do something good for your lawn and you want to promote healthy new grass to grow. What's included is some Rocket Fuel ProTurf fertilizer, which is going to recover your lawn and promote new growth faster than any other granular fertilizer on the market. We use that on October 1 or whenever you jump on the program in that growing season between October and April. The rate for that is 4 kilos per 100 square meters, and that will last up to 10 weeks. Usually 2 weeks after my first application, I still go out and I hammer a couple of weak areas to make them button over quicker for a quicker recovery. That is your ProTurf. In your spring pack, you get the choice of either a clay soil wetting agent combo or a sandy soil wetting agent combo. The reason why we treat these different is there's two totally different soil profiles here, and if we can condition them, we will grow healthy grass on. On a sandy profile, it's very hard to hold moisture, and it's very hard to hold nutrients. So the sandy soil wetting agent combo is Retain Pro and is seaweed. That is a monthly mixture mixed together that we apply at 100 ml per 100 square meters of the Retain and 200 ml per 100 square meters of the seaweed. How I spray that is, you'll see in a second, is through my backpack sprayer, and then I just water in after application. I do that monthly from now, which is September, all the way through to April. If I was on a clay soil, however, we know clay soils don't drain that well, and it's not really a great place for healthy grass to grow. So we want to try to get some air into the soil, and we want to pull the moisture down through the soil profile. The gypsum helps break up that clay soil. The Propel will pull the water through the soil profile, and the seaweed's there to promote and sustain healthy new root growth. So these are all 100 ml per 100 square meters, applied all together monthly from now to April. So let's get into some spraying here. It's still early, it is August right now. I'm just gonna go do it for shit's sake, so that you guys have some content to go forward with when you get these packs. They're $159. Like I said, if you've got a 150 square meter lawn, this wetting agent combo will last you 7 months, which is practically the whole of the growing season. This ProTurf fertilizer, after you see this stuff work its magic, you'll be back for some more of it. However, once the grass grows in nice and neat, and it's healthy, just before Christmas, I then switch back over to the foliar fertilizer, which is just 2 products that I apply through my backpack sprayer, and I simply just leave on the leaf, and I just spray that monthly there on out for the rest of the season. So very simple stuff. However, you need to get started. Firstly, spray out those weeds, get them ready, whether you just spray them out or you hand weed them. August and September is the perfect month for that. This wetting agent mix kicks off in September. The ProTurf kicks off in October, or whenever you join the program thereafter. So to correctly apply this product, what you need is a backpack sprayer or a little handheld pump sprayer, or you can simply use for the wetting agent mix the click-on hose Birchmere Aquamix sprayer that I'll do another video for a different time. However, first thing first is you do need a flat nozzle, which will help with the actual evenness of the application, and you need to work out how much water you use across your area. I personally know how much water I use. I've got 140 square meters here, and for me, at my pace, with my sprayer and the pressure that I pump into it, I use about 3 litres of water. Straight after this application, I'm going to be watering it in, and the rates for my products are 100 ml per 100 square meters. So for 140 square meters, I need to put in 140 ml of each product, in with that same amount that I used to calculate over my area. So 3 litres for me, in with 140 ml of each product. And this is simply how I got that 3 litres, and this is simply how I then sprayed again. So the beauty of backpack sprayer is that I can pump as I go, maintain that same pressure. Nothing wrong with those little pump sprays, those little 5 litre sprays. However, you will need to stop and repressurize. just keep that spray to the side of me as I make my way across the lawn. This application will be sprayed monthly. Now I'm about halfway on my lawn here. The good thing that I always do, even though I've calculated it with water first, is I was aware that I put in 3 litres of water, which is here. I'm just checking here to make sure that I've got half left. If I have, I'm on that exact same pace when I calculated it with water. And if I continue at that, by the time I get to the end, I should be out of product, which is the perfect application. Alrighty, just want to zoom in on here. You guys are doing the perfect application. You'll see that there's bugger all products left, which means the exact amount that was needed to go out went out. And doing it with water first ensures that when I get to the end, I still haven't got half of the water left, or I haven't run out halfway. There's no point putting out double, and there's certainly no point putting out half. You need to hit the rates, they're made for a reason. Test with water first. Let's get into the Pro Turf.